Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to register EVFEX account and verify it successfully. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me open my browser because I already have the invitation link. Okay, I'll leave the link in this video description for you guys to use it to sign up so that you can also start creating an account and trading with the platform. Okay, so this is the interface of the registration portal. Okay, you can either register with a mobile number or an email. Okay, so let's say I want to register with an email. I'll just click on this, then I'll enter my email address over here, then I'll enter my login password and the invitation code. Okay, the invitation code is already in the link you will use to register the account. Okay, so I'll leave the link in this video description so that you can also use it to register. Okay, so let me start with make money with Sam. Okay, I'll just enter my email address over here, then I enter my password. So when I'm done entering my password, I will click on this send button and a code will be sent to this email address so that I'll enter it here. Okay, so I'll click on the send. Then I need to do some verification, so I need to drag this to the box, and you can see the code has been sent successfully. Okay, so this is very simple. I need to go to my email account and wait for the code. Okay, so you can see the code has been sent to my email. I just copy the code and come back to the platform, and I'll paste in the code over here, and I'll click on the register. Okay, to register the account successfully. Okay, so this is how we register EVFEX account. Okay, so let me log into my account, and I'll still drag this, and you can see I have logged in successfully. Okay, so right now I have zero balance because this is a new account. Okay, and I'll be making videos on how you can make deposits and how you can trade with this platform. Okay, so now let me show you guys how to verify your account. Since you are already done creating the account, you need to verify. You need to do some KYC verification. Okay, so to verify your account, you just need to click on the settings. Okay, you click on this settings icon, then you click on this KYC verification. So you enter your real name here, then you enter your certificate number and the ID type. Okay, so you can either switch if you want to use a passport or ID or driving license. Okay, so let's say you use a passport, you just enter your passport number here. If you use an ID card, you enter the ID card number here. Okay, so let me do the verification for you guys to see how it works. And also you just need to upload the front and back of your ID card. Okay, if you choose the passport, you upload the front and back or the passport over here. So I'll enter my name, then I'll enter my certificate number, then this is an ID card, so I'll just click on this to upload the ID card over here. Okay, so when I'm done uploading my card over here, I'll just click on submit to verify it. So you can see there's a verification ongoing. Okay, so let me come here. You can see this is under review. Okay, you can see it's under review, so we just need to wait for a few minutes to get it verified. Okay, so as you can see, the KYC verification is done. Okay, authentication successful. Okay, so this is how you can verify your KYC successfully and also create an account successfully with this platform. Okay, so if this video helped you to register an account successfully and verify your KYC, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.